Imagine a world where the two greatest to ever play the game reach the summit one last time. Forget everything you knew about retirement. In 2026, Cristiano Ronaldo at 41 and Lionel Messi at 38 are not just participants, they are the tactical engines driving the favorites for the FIFA World Cup. Today, we analyze the data, the squads, and the hidden weapons that could see either Portugal or Argentina lift the gold in the USA. Who has the better path? Let's dive in. Portugal is not just Ronaldo and friends anymore. It's a European powerhouse. With Ruben Dias anchoring the defense and Bruno Fernandes pulling the strings, Portugal has the most balanced squad in the history. Ronaldo's role has evolved. He is no longer the pacey winger but the ultimate gravity forward. His presence alone forces two defenders to shadow him, opening massive gaps for Rafael Leo and Bernardo Silva. Did you know Ronaldo has actually scored more goals after turning 30 than he did in his 20s? With 21 goals already this season for Al Nassr, his clinical finishing is the sharpest tool in Roberto Martinez's arsenal. To win, Portugal needs to use Ronaldo as the decoy finisher, letting the youth run the miles while he strikes the killing blow. On the other side, the defending champions Argentina enters 2026 with a Messi-centric system that has perfected the art of the counterpress. For the first time in his career, Messi topped the CONMEBOL qualifying charts with 8 goals, showing that he hasn't slowed down. He's just gotten smarter. The emergence of Enzo Fernandez and Alexis Mac Allister allows Messi to play as a false 10, dropping deep to dictate play. Messi's walking is not laziness, it's scanning. He covers less distance but has the highest progressive pass success rate in the world. For Argentina to go back to back, Messi must remain the architect. He doesn't need to outrun the defense, he just needs to outthink them. So how do they win it? For Ronaldo, it's about physical dominance on set pieces and the mentality gap. Portugal squad depth is superior, allowing them to rotate and keep Ronaldo fresh for the knockout stages. For Messi, it's about emotional intelligence. Argentina's squad plays for him with a ferocity no other team can match. If Portugal meets Argentina in the final, it won't be a battle of pace, it won't be a battle of efficiency versus emotion. In 2026, both legends will become the first in history to play in 6 World Cups, but only one can leave as the ultimate king. Is it the Portuguese machine or the Argentine magician? Comment CR7 or LM10 below and tell us which analysis convinced you. Don't forget to subscribe to Football Mates for the deepest tactical breakdowns on YouTube. The world is watching. Are you?